In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email provider on Lemlist. Whether you're new to Lemlist or want to make sure you're correctly set up, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish, ensuring smooth integration of your email account with the platform. First, we'll start on the Lemlist dashboard. This is the entry point for all your Lemlist activities and tasks. Here, you'll be able to manage everything related to your email campaigns. Once you're at the dashboard, direct your attention to the left side where you'll find your profile section. Give that a click. By navigating here, you are essentially setting the stage for customizing how your emails will be sent out. After clicking on your profile, the next step is to look for the settings option. It's typically located in the same vicinity, so it should be easy to spot. Click on Settings, which will open up a multitude of options related to the configuration of your Lemlist account. Once inside the Settings menu, focus your eyes on the Sending Settings option. This is particularly crucial as it governs how your emails are dispatched from Lemlist. By clicking here, you're accessing all the necessary configurations to ensure your emails are sent correctly and efficiently. Within Sending Settings, you'll see an option labeled Email. Clicking on this will lead you to a page specifically dedicated to email-related configurations. This is where you'll be handling everything concerning your sending email addresses and adjustments. Now you're looking for the Sending Email Addresses section. This area is where you'll manage which email addresses are used for sending out your campaigns. Once you find it, you'll notice a Connect Email Address button. Go ahead and click on that. By doing so, you're beginning the integration process of your desired email provider. A prompt will appear with an option to accept and continue. Click on this to proceed. It's essentially asking for confirmation that you want to connect your email account with Lemlist. At this stage, you'll be presented with a variety of email provider options. Although there are many choices, for this demonstration, we will focus specifically on Google. Find Google among the options and prepare to establish the connection. Finally, click the Connect button. This will initiate the linkage of your Google email account with Lemlist. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete this process, and soon you'll have your email account fully connected and ready for your campaigns. That covers it. You're now all set to begin leveraging the powers of Lemlist for your email marketing tasks. Make sure to test send a few emails to ensure everything is working smoothly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check back for more tutorials if you need further assistance.